here my wife, she wanted a raised flower bed, and so we had some pallets that we got from a neighbor, and they were free, so I'm going to take them. She said, cut them down in half, and then build a border in front of the house, and we'll make a flower bed out of it. So here I'm already have them cut in half. They're just old pine. I think they were 4 by, I don't think they were even quite 4 by 4s. Anyhow, then just staggered them, screwed them together, what I'm doing here right now, and went ahead and stained them. I didn't show that in the video. That didn't come out. I lost that video. But they've been stained, and then filled it with garden soil mix that I picked up at Landscapers Direct or something like that. It's one of our local places. That soil mix seems to be really well. All the minerals, everything, the pH, the potash, and the nitrogen, all that tested good. So we hope everything is going to go good, and it's been holding up. I hope you're enjoying the video, and just enjoy what we did. Thank you. fastened it. Well, a yard of garden soil in my pickup truck. I don't believe it's gonna unload itself. Nope. My name's Jeff, but it's time for manual labor. Enjoy. Manual labor. Hope I'm not offending anybody. Well, what y'all think? I think 1 yard was enough. By the time we put plants in there, I think so. I don't know. If you see this and I post this, let me know in the comments. But finished product is coming soon. Let's take a look back on it. Excuse me. Yeah, I think so. Well, that's going to do it for this one right now. Yeah, I'll do a voiceover and talk later about what's going on. We got flowers to go in there next, but my wife really liked the stain. It's called Gun Stock. Got it at Ace. It's Minwax product, and it really showed up on this old pine really well. See you later. Now it's my wife's turn. This is what I did. I built it for her, and she's gonna plant it. No. So you like having your garden?
Yes, I do.
So what are you gonna?
I couldn't have in Arizona.
What are you gonna plant now? Got daisies.
I got 2 different kinds of daisies. I got a bunch of petunias and begonias, and I don't know what these other are called. I think they're called fuchsias.